Why are moms able to find literally everything? Like, I'm convinced the second you become a mom, you unlock a special ability for finding lost items in under 3 seconds. This one time, I couldn't find my phone for 2 days. I'm flipping couch cushions,
Crawling under the coffee table.
even checking the fridge out of pure desperation.
Nothing.
Then my mom walks in,
Glances at the couch for half a second.
reaches between 2 cushions like she's
Pulling out a sword from a
Stone.
and out comes the remote, along with my missing earbuds
3 pens.
and my long-lost childhood toy that I haven't seen in.
8 years.
Like, the minute something goes missing, my mom turns into a full-time detective working cold cases no one else could.
Crack.
And I swear half the time she'll find things in places you've already looked. Like, she'll go,
Did you even check the kitchen?
"Yes, Mom, I did."
Like 20 different times.
Times.
And the worst part is that she doesn't even try to find it. She just walks in
Looks around the room like she's activating X-ray.
Vision.
and immediately finds the item. Like, at this point, she's not even searching.
She's
Summoning.
Subscribe to Romance if you love your mom.